NASDAQ 100 traded slightly bearish but showed a resilience to drop further on the downside. At the same time, US30, that is Dow Jones, acted strong with a drop in NASDAQ 100. It tried to take a dip, however, failed to sustain below and now trading at the comfortable levels. Now, what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit trading these two instruments, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next update on these two will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. Do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, and yes, do press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the latest analysis. Let's have a look at NASDAQ 100 first, trading at 11,452 levels. Now see, on the hourly charts, it is showing a megaphone pattern and now trying to get a little downward move. Yes, there is a resistance at 11,460, which is it is failing to go past by, I see multiple candles revolving around 11,460. Yes, if it breaks past 11,460 again, you can stay long on NASDAQ 100. Expect that we are looking forward to the next target at 11,480, 11,500, 11,500, 520. These are going to see till 11,550. NASDAQ 100 has got stronger resistance on the upside. Only and only if it breaks past 11,550, you can consider that as a bullish move. Yes, you can buy there at 11,460 levels. Expect 11,480, 500, 520, 550 as the next targets. Only beyond 550 you can expect that it is going to trade bullish. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This hourly candle will decide the direction of it. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will find that it is showing you higher lows, it is showing you higher highs. The support there at around 11,420 is strong. Only sell entry today is below 11,380 levels. Below that you can expect it to drop, and yes, at the same time you can buy there at 11,460, expect it to rise more. So take your trades accordingly. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and RSI trading flat. Now if you look at the 3-hour charts, it has given a breakout here. Interestingly, on the 3-hour charts, this is a breakout candle, and hence till the time it sustains above this zone at 11,420, 400 rather I will say, till the time it sustains above 11,400, one can stay bullish in NASDAQ 100 today. You can expect that we are looking forward to a little rise. The third red candle, green candle can be seen, and then it may try to attempt and achieve 11,500 and plus levels. Directional movement here is bearish, trying to converge though. Stochastic looking upward. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge here and crossover for a sell. It is yet not crossed over, and hence you have to remain cautious. On the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, too, it has given a breakout, and hence only bearish, only sell entry today is below 11,400. Till the time it sustains above 11,400, the target is 11,500, 550, and then it may try to achieve 11,600 also. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is modestly bullish here, and it may try to diverge again from here. RSI trading flat. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, look at the 3 candles there. Now see, there is a strong tail left behind, that is 1. Next lower highs are seen, that is 2. And hence, even if it rises, 11,550 is the level only above which you can confirm that it is trying to fly high, and then you can expect 11,600 levels and plus levels to be seen. Stronger bullish move can be expected beyond that. Now see, we had seen a good bullish candle on Friday, and now it is trying to it has retraced a bit yesterday, and now it is trying to reverse it. So probably once it trades above 11,550 and 600, you have to stay long for tomorrow also. Probably with the Fed, it may try to rise more, and hence till the time it trades above 11,400 today, one can stay long. And yes, 11,460 is the level beyond which you should buy ideally. Beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum to be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at highs. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge here a bit. RSI trading flat. This is on the daily chart. So yes, only above 11,460 you can buy, and then expect it to rise for 11,500, 520, 540 levels, 550 levels. And then if it breaks past 11,550, then only confirm that it is given a breakout and it may sustain the bullishness. Else it can continue its downward trend, and once you see it trading below 11,400, one has to remain short. One can expect it to drop it considerably. So take your positions accordingly. So we have seen the levels. Sell, buy above 11,460, sell below 11,400. Do not trade in between these 60 points. On the downside, 11,350, 300 are the major levels, and then 250, 200 till 11,200. Do not consider this as bearish. On the upside, till 11,600, do not, rather I will say 11,650, do not consider this as a bullish breakout. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Do not miss this opportunity. Delaying it for 1 month is delaying it the profits for 1 month. So do join this mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can join my Signals group and look at the phenomenal performance of Signals group I have posted there in the community tab. Just by trading as per the signals, also you can benefit strongly, immensely. Reach out to me for more details on either training or trading. I will first recommend you to join the training, and then Signals group is anyways there for you to support. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are the ones which are mentioned in the channel and video description. Just scroll downside and you will find this the email and Telegram IDs for you to connect. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. You can see this zone. I told you yesterday also that this is the maximum resistance zone at 32,850, 32,900, and if it sustains above 32,850, you can stay long on US30. Expected to rise for 32,900, 920. Trading above this zone at 32,920, definitely we may see it filling the gap till 32,970, and then you will see it flying high, and hence you can buy there at 32,850 levels. Is expected to rise more. Yes, the stop loss for the day has to be at 32,700. If you have taken a long entry till the time it stays above 32,700, we can expect it to remain long. Now, directional movement is divergent and bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. I will see how it behaves there. Probably it may sustain a bit. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross. RSI trading at the highs there. Let it cross over for the bullish move. Now, look at the 2-hour charts. This is the fresh candle which is beginning. Yes, US30 has given. Yes, it has given a breakout here on the 2-hour chart. This previous candle was the first bullish candle. This is the second bullish candle. We may see it trading till towards 32,900, 920, and beyond that. Double top at 32,970 to be seen. We will see how it behaves at double top, and then see a rise, a retracement, double top, and then it can again continue to drop from tomorrow onwards, possibly today itself. And hence you have to trade with caution. Today you can trade or you can stay long till the time it trades above 32,700. One can stay long, but look at this, one has to sustain above this levels at 32,850. Once it drops beyond, rises beyond 32,850, expect 920 and 970 levels to be achieved there. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is at the highs there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, yes, it has given the breakout here. This is the first bullish candle. I will expect it to sustain this bullish momentum. The next bullish candle can be seen, and 32,970 cannot be denied. Achieving the double top, we will see. See, it is classic double top formation is in making. Probably it may see 32,970, and from there the drop may start with the Fed. Be careful there. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish. It may try to converge a bit. I'll wait for it to cross over. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts to break out and sustaining the bullish momentum. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic has crossed over for a sell entry. See, stochastic is still bearish. It is not confirming the bullish momentum yet. I'll wait for it to cross over for a bullish move, else it may achieve the double top and drop from there. RSI entering into overbought levels. Look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. The maximum resistance zone at 32,850 is seen. Very good resistance there. If it trades above 32,850, certainly we can expect 32,900, 920, and then 970 levels. And if it trades above 32,970, stay long on US30, and it is going to fly high. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought here, and hence we have to stay cautious. MACD divergent and bullish, and RSI is also overbought. Considering this, for the day till the time it trades above this zone at 32,750, you can stay long and expect it to rise. Probably 32,850, yes, that is the first target. 32,920 is the next, and then 32,970 is to be seen. Beyond that, stay long. 33,200 levels to be expected there. On the downside, sell there at 32,750, expect 32,700, and then below that 32,600. Major support. I have yesterday also I had told you in my cash session analysis that 32,400, 600 zone is going to be an extreme support for US30 here. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Yes, you can be part of my signals group, trade as per the signals, and definitely you can benefit, or be a part of my mentorship session. Definitely strategies curated for you all throughout the years of experience will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.